Welcome back to Building Real Communication Skills. I'm Emma, and today we're diving into one of the most powerful ways to become fluent, training your brain to think in English.
That's right. If you've ever tried to speak English but found yourself translating from your native language first, this episode is for you. We'll show you how to stop that translation habit and start thinking directly in English.
So, Jack, why do so many learners translate in their heads before they speak?
It's totally natural. When we first learn a new language, our brain takes a shortcut. It connects new English words to the words we already know in our own language. But the problem is that translation step slows us down.
Exactly. You might know what you want to say, but while you're translating, your brain freezes. You end up saying nothing. That's why it's so important to train your brain to skip that step.
The first step is to start small. You don't need to think in full sentences, just start with single words in English.
Yes. For example, when you see an apple, don't think quả táo or la pomme. Just think apple. When you look outside, think sun, sky, trees, people. You're teaching your brain to label your world in English.
And the more you do it, the faster your brain starts to connect those English words directly to ideas, not translations.
Now, here's one of my favorite exercises. Talk to yourself in English. Don't worry, it's not weird. It's one of the best ways to build fluency.
You can describe what you're doing. I'm making coffee. I'm getting ready for work. I need to send an email. The idea is to make English part of your everyday thoughts.
Exactly. You're not studying English, you're living it.
Another key is listening. When you listen to English every day, podcasts, YouTube, movies, your brain starts picking up natural rhythm and expressions.
Try to focus on how native speakers connect words and express feelings. Instead of memorizing grammar rules, listen for patterns. For example, we say, I'm gonna, instead of, I am going to. That's how you start thinking in English, not just studying it.
Here's a fun tip. Use a timer. Pick a random topic and speak for 30 seconds in English without stopping. Don't worry about mistakes. Your goal is to keep your brain in English mode.
And if you get stuck, just replace the missing word with something simple or describe it. For example, if you forget the word umbrella, you can say, the thing that stops rain. That's creative thinking, and that's how fluent people do it.
Change your phone language to English. Follow English pages on social media. Even label things around your home, like door, mirror, or fridge.
When English becomes part of your environment, your brain starts accepting it as normal, not something you have to study. So, to sum it up, 1. Think in simple English words. 2. Talk to yourself daily. 3. Listen to real English. 4. Practice fast thinking. 5. Surround yourself with English.
The more your brain sees English as part of your daily life, the more natural it feels to speak. That's how you go from learning English to thinking in English.
And that's when fluency really begins. Thanks for listening to Building Real Communication Skills. If you enjoyed this episode, follow and share it with a friend who's learning English. See you next time, and keep thinking in English.
Bye, everyone.